Welcome to the best pick. In a world filled with distractions, sometimes simplicity is key. Today, we're diving into the world of electric typewriters to help you find the perfect tool to fuel your creativity and focus on your writing. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at the best electric typewriters we choose for you. Number 4. The typewriter may look bland, but it combines old-school aesthetics with modern features. The one-line LCD screen makes typing easier by displaying the words as you type. The 70,000-word dictionary with error-locating find feature rivals high-end spell checkers. It provides typographic and phonetic corrections for precision writing. The automatic paper insertion feature streamlines the writing process. It ensures smooth and efficient typing without any disruptions. Use the self-demo feature to explore various functions like automatic carriage return, interchangeable cassette ribbon, and full-line lift-off correction memory. Despite its unassuming appearance, the Brother SX4000 offers efficient typing for hours. It keeps texts neat and error-free while being durable and reliable for long-term use. What we like. If you have a lot of writing to do and need error-free text, you should consider this model. The LCD screen makes typing easier and the 70,000-word dictionary with error-locating find feature rivals high-end spell checkers apps. The automatic paper insertion feature streamlines the writing process. What people say. Loading paper is easy and keyboard feels great to type on. There are many options to make typing easier. It is quick to set up left and right margins. The correction tape works great. Also, the handle is great to have since I will be taking this floor to floor at work. Number 3. If you're looking for a machine that closely resembles a classic typewriter without the bells and whistles of modern technology, the Nakajima WPT-150 is worth considering. The keys on this model produce a sound reminiscent of mechanical typewriters, perfect for those seeking an authentic typing experience. Featuring Daisy Will printing technology, this model appeals to those who appreciate the iconic sound and feel of traditional typewriters. While maintaining a classic feel, the Nakajima WPT-150 still includes useful features like a 90-character correction system, 12 tabulation options, and automatic centering. With the ability to type in bold, this typewriter is perfect for emphasizing important information in your documents. What we like. If you are looking to recreate an authentic old-school typewriter experience, you should consider this model. The Daisy Will printing technology gives it an iconic sound, and the limited correction system and programmable tabulation options make it user-friendly for classic typewriter enthusiasts. What people say. It works well, except the print is very light. I have to use bold, other than that I like. Just what I need for quick notes and forms. I love this model. It's very easy to use and types beautifully. Excellent choice. Number 2. Whether you're a professional writer or just looking to type up documents at home, this typewriter is perfect for all your needs. With its 45-key keyboard and 20 keystroke buffer, you can type up to 12 characters per second with ease. Enjoy automatic underlining, caps lock, and other essential features for a seamless typing experience. Take this typewriter with you wherever you go, thanks to its portable design and handy carrying handle. Comes with a correction tape and ribbon installed, so you can start typing right away. What we like. If you don't like computers and prefer printing on paper, this model is a good option. The portable and simple design with installed correction tape and ribbon makes it convenient for both professional and individual use. The handy carrying handle and cord storage make it easy to transport. What people say. Looks nice. Easy to use and maintain. Replacing ribbons easy. The typewriter is like brand new. It works great. Absolutely worth it. The typewriter is very easy to use. Number 1. This electronic typewriter meets the highest industry standards, making it a fantastic present for anyone who works with words. It has a range of user-friendly features that allow for fast and easy typing, including automatic paper select and eject, auto-centering, and auto-relocation. With an 80,000-word dictionary, this typewriter offers a comprehensive spell check to ensure your documents are error-free. Store up to 16,000 characters in the device's memory, divided into up to 50 files. Even if the unit is turned off, files will be maintained for up to 5 years. Create different types of files, including text, phrase, and format files to customize your documents with tabs, margins, and frequently used words. What we like. If you work with words and need a user-friendly device, you should consider this model. The 80,000 word dictionary and 16K storage memory will make your work comfortable and effective. The lightweight and portable design is suitable for both home and office use. What people say. Great typewriter. I use this typewriter in a law office and it is great for filling out forms. Especially like the screen and memory on this typewriter. A good typewriter if you need to fill out forms and labels, and it came with an owner's manual which the last one didn't. Plus it is new, so I have the warranty in case anything goes wrong. The machine came packaged securely. This typewriter word processor has a display window for previewing the text before actual printing. It has many features which I have yet to familiarize myself with. I like the carrying handle feature for portability. I wish the keyboard had a sturdier cover. The one that comes with the machine is thin plastic. Overall, this machine is a good buy. I am happy with this purchase. I highly recommend this machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.